Hey y'all, thanks for stopping back by and checking out another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. It's been a long week, y'all, so I figured I would treat myself a little bit and cook something special out on the grill. Bring y'all right back, show you what that is. Hang on. Alright y'all, let me show you what I got going on here, what my special treat is. It's some pink salmon. Got 4 fillets here. They're not real thick ones, but one I'm going to leave plain. One I'm going to coat with dill mustard and black pepper. One's going to be with Old Bay on it, and the other one's going to be a little Louisiana Creole seasoning. So I'm going to get that done, and then we'll take it out and I'll show you how I'm going to cook it. Alright y'all, let me show you what I got going on here. I got the charcoal grill fired up. We got that salmon all prepared. I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook it here. Notice I got my coals all over here on one side. We're going to smoke that salmon. I'm going to start out here. I'm going to throw a couple pieces of my secret smoking wood out here on it. You got that all on there. Next, I'm going to take my covers here. You notice I wrapped them in aluminum foil because I want that smoke to come over here to this other side. See how it's already kind of forcing it out that way there. I'll shut this heat down a little bit. Sorry about that. See how we got that smoke rolling out there? I'm going to take this salmon. I'll lay that right over there, just like that. Now I did coat the backside with a little bit of olive oil, so there's that. And that big piece right there. So there we go, we got all that on there. And next thing is just shut the lid and let her cook away. So we'll bring you all back whenever we get this sucker cooked a little bit more. Look at that smoke rolling, y'all. Is there any better thing than that? See that when you walk out here, you know, to your cooker, and you know, because it's not black smoke and it's not burning something, you know you're making something delicious when you got smoke rolling like that. Alright y'all, let's check on this here a little bit. Ooh, look at that. Man, I wish y'all could smell this. It is smelling so good. Oh man. Alright, let's close this up and let it cook on, y'all. Alright y'all, it's been cooking a while. Oh, look at that. That is turning out beautiful. I mean, you can't get much better than that. I mean, that is awesome. Alright, I'm going to let her cook a little longer, and we'll bring you all back. Man, I wish y'all could smell this. Alright y'all, it's been a couple hours. I think these things are going to be done. So let's pull them off here. Oh yeah. Those look beautiful. Alright, let's get these off here. That's the plain one. There's the pepper one. That's the Old Bay one. There's the Cayenne Creole. get these suckers in the house and get them plated up. We'll see how it tastes. Alright, y'all. Got that out of the cooker there. And, you know, got them all 4 laid out there. I'm going to try a little bit of each one of them. And for all my viewers that show concern that, you know, I'm not eating my vegetables, you know, I made up some broccoli bacon mac and cheese. So I am eating my vegetables. Ah, cheat. Sorry. Had a little something in my throat there. So I'm just going to dig in there with my fingers. Oh. Ooh, yeah. That was the plain one. That's the Creole one. That's some good stuff right there. Oh man, that's the dill mustard and pepper. That is awesome. And of course a little bit of the Old Bay. We all know how that's going to taste. That's awesome. I made a little tree here, a little bacon. Oh yeah. Oh, y'all, I wish y'all were here. You know, this is delicious. So, well, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed it. Alright, y'all, there you have it. Another little special treat for myself. A little smoked pink salmon. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all need to try that out. And appreciate y'all stopping by and checking out what I'm doing here, you know. So, remember, check all these videos out on Wednesdays. Check my mechanical videos out on Saturdays. Stop by and check out the live streams on Sunday nights at 7 p.m. And, you know, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, get all the notifications. Leave me a comment down below. I really appreciate them because I read them all. Bon appetit.